Hello, and thank you for your interest in Lincoln Prairie by Del Webb. As you know, a lot of really exciting things are in the works, and we're here today to share some of the information that we have, but also really look forward to sharing the information as we finalize it in the future. As your Lincoln Prairie sales team, we will be with you every step of the way as you select and purchase your dream home in Del Webb. Lincoln Prairie is really being designed with you in mind. We're here to show you everything that means and what we have to offer. And we want to first introduce our sales team that we have on site.
Hi there, my name's Nick, and I am so excited to talk to you about all the things that we're going to be offering at Lincoln Prairie by Del Webb. Now, I've been a part of the Chicagoland team for about 8 years now, and I'm proud to say that we've never had an opportunity quite like Lincoln Prairie. There are a ton of features that make this community exceptional, but the thing that really stands out the most to me is the fact that we're going to have 10 distinct single-family homes, all with the complete suite of option customizations. That means that anyone who walks through our door, we're going to have the perfect home somewhere for them, and I can't wait to help you uncover that. So come on down. Can't wait to meet you.
My name is Morgan, and I've been with Pulte Group a little over 5 years now. Out of all the communities and beautiful homes that I've walked through in my career, I always find myself gravitating towards the active adult buyer. I love the atmosphere that comes with the 55 and older community. Of course, family and lifestyle is special in all the communities we offer, but truly there's nothing like it in the 55 and older community that we have to offer. I'm really excited to welcome you to Lincoln Prairie and can't wait to see you soon.
Hi, I'm Gina Zatella, and I am part of the team here at Lincoln Prairie. I have been with the company for over 4 years now, and I have been in the industry for over 20. I am super excited to take you through this process. One of my favorite things to do is to sit down with you and to build your home of your dreams and your vision on paper, and then to take you through the process and see your vision come true. I cannot wait to welcome you to the neighborhood.
At Lincoln Prairie, development is underway. Curbs have been installed for our roads coming off Eola, with paving soon to follow. Plus, our guardhouse, sales center, and model homes have all started and are under construction. We look forward to sharing more progress with you as it happens. Being an active adult is about living in a community with like-minded individuals who want to stay involved, grow, learn, and form new relationships with a diverse group of individuals. And at Lincoln Prairie, we have created just the place to accomplish this. If you have an interest, Lincoln Prairie can support it. If you're looking to meet new friends, it'll be easy to connect with clubs and social events. Your community clubhouse will be your home away from home, with approximately 16,000 square feet of indoor space featuring a great room for visiting with friends or playing games, multi-purpose rooms for events, a billiards room, an aerobics studio, fitness center, locker rooms, indoor lap pool, and a hydrotherapy pool. Outside, we've included everything you'd expect from a resort-style community. Gorgeous lap pool, pickleball and bocce ball courts, tennis courts, walking trails, a community garden, and a terrace for relaxing and enjoying time with friends and family. Plus, Lincoln Prairie is a private, gated community, and golf carts are permitted. We truly believe we've created an environment that you will want to enjoy on a daily basis. When you're building a new home with Del Webb, we take great pride in providing not only a quality built home for you to enjoy, but also a high quality experience during your new home building process. We have dedicated field managers that will be with you throughout your home building experience. Please watch this short video that explains our process.
When it comes to building your new home, you expect the highest quality. That's where our experience, knowledge, and industry-leading processes come in. For more than 70 years, we've been working with home buyers across the country, exceeding their expectations and delivering high-quality homes. It's called our Build Quality Experience. Our 10-step process is meant to ensure quality and keep you updated throughout construction so that you feel confident and comfortable with the results. It begins with an introduction to your assigned construction manager, who is your guide throughout the build process. Your construction manager has completed our rigorous training program, which includes our home construction certification process. Together, you'll go over everything from your option selections to a communications plan to share progress and get all of your questions answered. To ensure the quality of our work, the next steps of the Build Quality Experience involve our foundation, frame, and mechanical inspections. Before we finish the walls of your home, we'll meet for your pre-drywall orientation so that you can see the structural integrity of the framing components and the craftsmanship of the plumbing, HVAC, and electrical systems. After our experts give it the okay and external inspections validate our quality standards, it's time for the most important review, yours. During the pre-closing orientation, you and your construction manager will tour the entire house to confirm your selected options and demonstrate the construction quality. Your construction manager will also educate you on the products, functionality, maintenance, and warranty information. The next step in the process is the build quality celebration. Here we celebrate the exciting completion of your new home, touring one last time and confirming that any concerns identified during your pre-closing orientation have been properly taken care of. You're then ready for closing and move-in. The final step of our process is gathering your valuable feedback. You'll receive surveys during and after the construction of your home. Our build quality experience continues long after move-in. In fact, your home is backed by our industry-leading home warranty. We stand behind what we build and the quality of our work. To get started, visit your preferred community today. We look forward to working with you and making your new home a reality.
We hope that video demonstrates our process and desire to make your home building experience one that is enjoyable. In addition to the building experience, we also have an industry-leading warranty to provide you peace of mind after your home is built, all serviced by us. This short video explains more about what to expect with your new home warranty.
Does your new home come with a warranty? And what does it cover? We'll answer those questions and more. Hi, I'm Charlie from Webb. A warranty is a promise from your builder to you to stand behind your new home. Webb builds with the highest quality, so your home will last for years to come. But sometimes unexpected things happen. For those things that go above and beyond regular home maintenance, a warranty plan can help with the process and cost of getting your home back into pristine condition. Webb has an industry-leading warranty, offering extra protection and peace of mind for your home. When you purchase your home, a copy of the Webb Limited Warranty will be given to you. It will have a full list of everything that's covered, but here's a high-level summary of what's offered. 10-year coverage on structural elements of your home. 5-year coverage against various types of water infiltration and leaks. 2-year coverage of plumbing, electrical, HVAC, and other mechanical systems. And a comprehensive 1-year warranty covering materials and workmanship. We will continue to check in with you throughout the first year of ownership via email with maintenance and seasonal reminders. As the owner of a new home, regular home maintenance will still be something you will have to take care of. This includes items not covered by the warranty, such as changing furnace filters, cleaning gutters, and things like that. We offer a variety of maintenance guides on our website to provide helpful tips and also to help you understand what's covered under the warranty versus general maintenance. Your customer care representative is a trusted advisor trained to help you with any questions you have about your home or your warranty. They'll meet with you after your home is built or is needed for service requests. If service is needed under the warranty, just initiate a service request. It's easy. Go to Owner's Entry on our website, log in and fill out the appropriate fields on the form to submit your service request. One of our customer care team members will connect you to the appropriate person to address your request, typically within 24 hours or by the end of the next business day. Our customer care team is dedicated to make sure your needs are taken care of in a timely and thorough manner. Once the request is received, your customer care representative will review your concern, schedule any necessary service, and then follow up to ensure that all service work was completed. That's a brief overview of the Webb Limited Warranty. For more information, talk to your local sales consultant or visit us online.
We want to make your entire experience with Webb easy and pleasurable. To help make your home buying experience seamless, we offer services from Pulte Mortgage, who has experience in new home construction loans and the intricacies involved in the process. Many new home buyers want to understand better how we end up at a final home price. We have 3 basic criteria that make up the final price of your home. First is the base price of your floor plan. This price reflects our standard floor plan with the series included features. Second is the home site premium. Home site premiums are added to specific sites due to their view, their location in the community, or their size. The more desirable or unique a home site is, the higher the premium may be. Lastly, add your chosen additional options and upgrades. These are features you may have chosen to personalize your home, such as upgraded appliances, cabinetry, or flooring. These 3 prices will determine your final build price. After you purchase, your final build price will not change regardless of future price increases or cost increases. We believe you'll love living in a community where you're with people who also love life and are having fun living it. Watch this short video and start envisioning your new life at Lincoln Prairie.
We believe in best friends and new friends. At Del Webb, we believe in growth, movement, and the awesome power of the get-together. We believe in beautifully designed homes with innovative floor plans and living exactly how you want to live, surrounded by people who make life better. Del Webb, we believe you'll like it here.
We appreciate your patience as we continue development in Lincoln Prairie and work through exact timing for our grand opening. Here's an estimated timeline for major events and amenity center completion. As we know more, we'll promise to share it with you. We know that next steps are top of mind for all of you. Between now and September at Lincoln Prairie, you can expect to see base pricing released, more information on our grand opening process and how to secure an appointment, as well as a sneak peek at what our community, clubhouse, and amenities will look like. Thank you for your continued interest in Lincoln Prairie by Del Webb and for taking the time to watch our video. If you have any questions, please send an email to lincolnprairie@delwebb.com and a sales consultant will respond as soon as possible. We look forward to seeing you soon at Lincoln Prairie.